to what Martin just brought up. It's really about the relevance of our experimental systems. The particles that we use in our experiments, that we study effects of, to what extent are they actually representative of what happens in nature. We know that when you have particles, within 1 to 2 days, they're basically covered in a microbial biofilm. Those organisms will change the structure of those particles. They will form a layer. They might consume things that leak out from the particles, like plasticizers and other things. It's been shown. And that might create a totally different systems and a totally different effect on biological organisms. Another thing that connects to, this is kind of my kind of perspective perhaps, but we've been seeing also the organisms that are sitting on these particles, they're totally different from what you see free living in the oceanic water. It's also different from what sits on the biogenic particles. And that brings the perspective also of pathogens, I would say. We know that plastics can carry pathogens, can act as a refuge for pathogens that could be an exposure for organisms. That also, of course, is one health perspective of these particles. It goes beyond the chemical risks, I would say, also the biological risks. That might be even harder to kind of predict, harder to model and understand and cope with. Because it's not necessarily dose dependent in the same way.
So there are so many